Hey everybody, this is the Village's Prophet. Want to see if I could see my first space launch from Cape Canaveral. The Falcon SpaceX rocket is due to take off in 25 seconds at 2:44 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Once it takes off, I'll go into my backyard, look east-southeast, and see if we can see it. So, I don't know. I can't promise you we'll see anything. 6, 5, 4,
3, 2, 1, engine ignition, and liftoff. Liftoff of the Falcon 9 rocket on the Starlink 6-86 mission.
All right, here we go. All right, I'm going to walk out in my backyard now. Let's see what we can see, if anything. All right, I'm looking east-southeast. Nothing yet. The skies look relatively clear. Oh, there it is. I definitely see it. There it is. There is the Falcon SpaceX rocket. Just disappeared behind the clouds. I'll stay focused on it for a little bit. Hey, listen, that's pretty cool. Science. I think now it's got a little bit behind the clouds. All right. Well, that was worth staying up for till almost 3 o'clock in the morning. All right, there we go. All right, this is the Village's Prophet wishing you a very profitable Monday. We'll see you later.